One of the most appreciated features in Struct PIM is hands down the ability to easily be able to find any product based on any of its attributes. And the ability to save searches is super powerful because then it means that we don't have to perform the exact same search over and over again. So let's head over to our PIM area and take a look at what we have to work with. So this is the built-in search engine inside of Struct PIM. Here we can search for our products, we can search for our variant groups as well as variants and even categories if we wanted. Notice that we have a set of columns available here. We could actually customize this. So we could say something like, let's activate the primary image column as well as the sales channel. So if we, whoops, that was the wrong, this one. So let's update the columns. And as we can see, we now have the image thumbnails available as well as the sales channels. So we can actually drag these over so that the primary image is the first thing we see here, the most left side of the search. So let's say that we wanted to search products that were available in the Swedish market, for example. We could use the column to dynamically reflect the search results based on our search here. And let's say that we wanted to save this search for future use so that we don't have to perform the exact same search over and over again. We can find this Save Search button right here in the top. Let's click that. And here we can say something like Swedish product range. And then we can click yes to save the displayed columns as well. So this means that all the columns that we've selected in the search here, they are actually saved with the Save Search. And now we can save the Save Search in any of our Save Search folders. We can share them with other users as well if that's what we wanted, so others can access the exact same search. Let's just save it in my saved searches here. These are individually accessible to me only, and I could even create a folder structure below this destination if I wanted so. So let's say save. And now in the background, the Save Search is saved. So what we can do from here is we can always access the saved searches in the top navigation here by clicking Save Search. And here we have the Swedish product range that we just saved. So we could click it and it is now applied across the search engine here. Another way we could use Save Searches is by going to the dashboard. And here we can actually go to our personal dashboard. Here we can actually click Add Widget. And if we get the search results widget, so here at the top of this list of saved searches, we have the saved search that we just saved ourselves. And from here, we can do things like give it a highlight color. And this is especially useful in case we have multiple search results widgets on our dashboard. And this way we can make this one stand out more. So let's just select this green 800, and we could even change this search icon if we wanted to use any of our other icons here. But let's just go with this search icon. And if we click Add Widget, we can now see the saved search in this search results widgets. From here, we can do things like resize the widget. We can drag and drop it anywhere on our dashboard. We can always access the settings of the search results widgets in case we wanted to change stuff or change the underlying saved search that this is based off of. Let's say that we wanted to change the color here to blue 800. We could easily do that. And this is now updated. So let's save the dashboard. And this means that this search result widget is now part of our dashboard. So we can always click the widget and it takes us straight to the search results that we originally saved. That's it about saved searches in Struct PIM. Hope this makes a lot of sense. Make sure to also watch some of our other feature highlight videos.